It's time for Austin, Texas. We're going to go see the race at Circuit of the Americas. We're going to go through the gear that you need when you go and pack for one of these races. Welcome back. We're going to Circuit of the Americas this week in Austin, Texas for the inaugural IndyCar race. That's a mouthful, and as you can tell, we got a little jalapeno peppers that my son grew as a little inspiration here. First and foremost, sunscreen. You're going to be out and about, sun's going to be beating down, you got to have some sunscreen to protect your skin. Sunglasses go along with that. We've also got a rain poncho, because it will rain if you don't take one, but if you take one, it probably won't. So it's just one of those insurance policies. You take it regardless of whether you use it or not. It's good to have it handy. You can always sit on it if nothing else. You're in good shape. Waterproof jacket rolled up in a ball here. You're going to put that in the backpack. We've got a waterproof card case for our memory cards from Pelican. We've also got our DSLR camera here, our Nikon D7100. We've also got a couple of pouches of miscellaneous stuff, things like hard drives, cables, that kind of thing, not big deal. Ticket lanyards. So you really don't want to hold on to your ticket or scrunch it up in your pocket, so you can just hang these around your neck. I know it's not the most stylish thing in the world, but it's a lot easier to just, lift up your lanyard and show somebody your ticket than it is to dig in your pocket for a second and go, I think it's here somewhere. So that's what we do with that. We've also got earplugs. It is loud. We're talking up to maybe 140 decibels. I know it's loud. It may not be exactly 140, but it's pretty darn close. Got one of these suckers a couple years ago, and basically it's a wristband that's reactive to the sun, and it tells you how much UV you're getting. So basically, if this sucker turns blue, you want to make sure to reapply, and you all cover it with lotion. Probably something you've noticed here on the table is a hat. This is a Tilly. They're guaranteed forever. They float. They're also SPF 50+. And again, one of those things that dads wear. It's not stylish, but when you got no hair like me, you got no choice. So I got to keep the sun off my ears and off my head, and that's that. Last but not least, we've got the backpack to put everything in, and then honestly, I'm also taking some hiking boots. You guys have seen these from the Albany to Atlanta to Albany video. They also come in really handy because we have general admission tickets. We're not going to be in a paved area all the time, and we need to be able to walk around, get around the track. And these are a good option. They're Gore-Tex, so even if it rains like hell, I'm still not going to get wet feet. I know this is another one of those stylish things, and I don't care. So anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. This is one of the fun things to do in life. I'm going to take you guys along for the trip, but this is how we pack for this kind of thing. So there's a lot of equipment that I'm bringing along just to be able to produce these videos. I didn't include that here because honestly, if you're going to the track just for fun, this is what you got. Last item to mention that I did not mention before is that we're actually renting some racing radios. And in addition to our general admission tickets, we also have paddock passes, so we're going to be in the paddock club as well. So all that to be said, looking forward to it. Knock your socks off, go have a blast, and happy traveling. Hope you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications to get alerts when there's new content so you guys don't miss anything. Y'all take it easy. We'll see you next time. Austin, Texas, here we come.